Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. So I'm making an accent wall and I need the pieces to be consistent. So I'm going to make my own thin strip jig for the table saw. I didn't want to go spend 40 bucks at Woodcraft, so I have a laser, so I cut out some of this oak. It's about 3/8 of an inch thick, and I had some brass rod. I already had a hole that I used this for on an earring display, so I just used that same hole. So kind of what I'm thinking is to notch this end out to accept most of this and then drill a hole to hold this, and I'm hoping that it'll spin kind of like the bearings you see on these thin strip jigs. So stick around, we'll see what we can come up with.
Here I'm just lining up my marks with where I want this. So if I want a 3/4 inch strip, I just put that 3/4 inch piece of wood to the left of my blade and slide up the thin strip jig against it. Let's test out the thin strip jig. It worked well. I actually measured it with the tape measure and they were both 5/8 or 3/4 of an inch.